Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to use guided learning in Google Gemini. So open up a new chat in your Google Gemini account and you have a few different options to get started. You could either click on Tools and click on Learn, or click on Help Me Learn, and you get like some useful prompts here that you can use if that suits you. So if one of these is what you want to learn, you can click on it. If not, just type something into the chat bar. So say I want to learn how to create a business plan. So I'm going to type that in and see what Google Gemini says. So it says a solid plan typically covers everything from what you're selling to how you'll make money. Here are 3 ways we can dive into this. So it gives you some options, and then it says, which of these areas would you like to explore first? So I'm just going to say number 1, click enter, and then Google Gemini again will ask you a different question to learn what you want to know. And this is it. So get this moving. Let's focus on the company description first. If you were pitching a business to a friend in 2 sentences, what problem would you tell them you're solving, and who are you solving it for? So I might say diet app for people for, and I'll say moms to lose weight. So again, Google Gemini will give me some more information, and then it will say, to make this description really stand out in a business plan, we should dig a bit deeper into the why and how. For example, moms face unique challenges like time constraints, sleep deprivation, or needing family-friendly meals. So yeah, it's giving me some more information here, and then it will ask you another question. So basically, whatever you're learning, you just keep going back and forth with Gemini, and it will give you more information to help you with whatever you want to learn. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.